So it was fantastic. We had amazing startup business ideas coming in. One thing we loved is we have seen many foodies out there in college. We got many startups around food, and we also saw some tech startups, one day business, which was very interesting and amazing, and we loved it.
Yeah, it was amazing to see people come prepared with their ideas, with marketing plan, execution plan, team distribution, unit economics, breakup about how they will make profit and how will they return the money that they are going to take from the college. It is exciting and encouraging to see people, and we want to see more and more people come with the ideas.
So it was a nice fun day because meeting new people, meeting students again, and seeing this college ambience. The best thing that I saw is you all are aligned to the technology. Most ideas were coming from AI. Most ideas were related to technology stuff, and again there were some from education. Then there was a category of food. But all these things which we saw that you are not only having knowledge of engineering, but you are also converting those into products, trying to sell it, and you are having that environment around you. So it was a nice thing.
So if you call one startup, I can't pinpoint one startup because there were many unique startups. If they were not unique in the types of product or service, there was some uniqueness in each startup where somebody was just building a website to take an order of a sandwich, or there were AI based skincare products, dermatologist types. So there was some uniqueness in all the startups. That's something touched.
But one thing that actually stood out for us was that everybody was passionate about whatever they were doing, be it art, be it food, be it tech that they were working on, or the business that they wanted to, succeed. So it was interesting to see that people are choosing options which are aligned to their interests. Absolutely. And making them work.
And even when we talk about teams, when we saw that when the presentations were given, all had a good plan. Even if there is team of 3 people, they had, okay, I will do marketing, I will do selling, I will take care of people. And let's say if I am not good at anything, I will go and outsource something. So that was a great plan they were having. And also talking about the teams, all were open for the inputs that we were even giving. At that time when we stopped them, we were asking questions. Even okay, this is not the option, because there were some startups that they were doing great, but right now they were trying to sell it at a very low price. When we discussed with them, they were open for inputs.
It is a fantastic platform to give that, to encourage more ideations for students. So I would give 100% credit to college and the cell and the all organizing committee for coming up with this idea and carrying it on and encouraging more and more students to participate in it at this level, which is fantastic. I would say that this is your first step towards entrepreneurship.
And these nudges do a lot. You just need to follow it up with few more things which are aligned to their activity. So out of those who are participating right now, you will have some people who are very serious about this. Please help them sharpen their skills rather than picking the whole lot, so that they will take it and make it bigger than what we are seeing here.
And when we see this as event from detail view, because a day before I was even having an eagle's point of view, but when I'm inside this one, I see there are many people who are working on this one. Not even the participants are stressed out because what they have to do. But when I see your journey, it's a bit difficult for you also to take all these things, and besides this, you are giving a best platform. Because when even we see participants are in need of electricity, are in need of resources, college is also providing them, and you are not even charging for it. The 10% thing which you are asking is a different thing, because they also need to learn that profits come with some taxes which are need to be given. But the platform which you have given them is nice, in nice way, and in nice age, in perfect age.
So shout out to the organizing team and the college both.
Thank you.
Thank you.